The Cipher in the Attic. In the quaint town of Ashwak, nestled between misty hills, stood an old, abandoned mansion. For decades, rumors swirled about the strange symbols etched into its attic walls. Many dismissed them as the doodles of a recluse, but not Eliza, a sharp-minded cryptographer. Eliza had always been drawn to puzzles, and the mansion's cipher became her obsession. One cold January morning, armed with a notebook and flashlight, she ventured into the attic. The air was thick with dust, and faint whispers seemed to echo from the walls. The symbols were etched in a perfect spiral, starting small in the center and expanding outward. Eliza copied them carefully, noting their resemblance to ancient runes and mathematical equations. Hours turned into days as she deciphered the code back home. It spoke of a hidden chamber beneath the mansion, where the secrets of Ashwak's founders lay buried. One stormy night, Eliza returned to the mansion, following the cipher's directions. Beneath her loose floorboard, she found a small latch. As she opened it, a cold draft rushed upward. With a deep breath, she descended the hidden staircase. What she found was beyond her imagination, an underground library filled with books that defied time. Each book detailed events that hadn't yet occurred, from personal tragedies to world-changing discoveries. In the center of the room stood a pedestal with a single book labeled Eliza. Hesitant but curious, she opened it. The pages told her own story, including her journey to the mansion and the moment she'd read the book. The last page was blank, save for one line, "You decide what happens next." Eliza closed the book and looked around. The choices before her were infinite, but for the first time, she felt the weight of her own decisions.